This is a fire department of our city. Fire is always a big disaster for any citizen. So fire department plays a crucial role in a city life. It's impossible to fight any fire without a fire truck. Let's assemble this machine together. Fire truck is filled with fire technical equipment which is used at firefighting and rescue operations. Well, let's start. Firstly, let's take the base of our fire truck to which we will attach all the details. Let's attach a cabin where a couple firemen will sit. On the cabin, we are fixing light bars, which will allow messaging that the vehicle is driving to extinguish a fire. After that, let's attach the middle part with the firefighting equipment. It is situated between the front and the back parts. Next, we need to attach two front wheels, one wheel on the one side and the other wheel on the other side. Rear wheels of our fire truck are double, two couples on the one side and two couples on the other side. Between the back and the middle parts, we're fixing a ladder. What's next? Now we need to fix a swing mechanism for the lifting arm, due to which our fire truck will be able to extend the ladder in any direction. Next, let's fix the lifting arm. The lifting arm of the fire truck consists of three extending parts. Well, 1, 2, 3. Perfect! The ladder is required to allow firemen reach the highest floors of multi-floor buildings. Now we need to fix the cabin at the end of our lifting arm. And one of the main parts which we have to fix to our fire truck is a hose line. Through these hoses, water is supplied to a hose barrel, so our fire truck extinguishes fire. And to make our vehicle steady, let's fix 4 support beams. 2 on the one side and 2 on the other. Well, our fire truck is ready! Fire trucks are always painted red. The color of fire, color of danger, color that catches people's attention from afar. But in actual fact, except the main red color, there are some others. White and silver colors are specified for identification marks and contrast elements. What I see! A little house is burst into flame in our city. It must be extinguished. Come on, we'd better hurry up. Our fire truck is racing to emergency. One, 2, 3. The fire is extinguished. Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble a fire truck. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.